Welcome to the EnVision Center in Bowling Green, Kentucky. EnVision centers look at individuals as having unique needs and address those needs through services.
The ultimate goal for people moving public, what was originally started as public housing for people to move up and then out of public housing when they get themselves stabilized.
To advance education, we offer help to our residents in reading, writing, and in practical life skills.
One of service I joined in the EnVision Center, they trained me. I didn't know about increasing my credit score.
I was homeless. I had a child. I had no way to provide for myself or that child. They gave me some skills. They also gave me hope of where I could go from here.
To support our residents' health and wellness, our residents learn gardening skills and understand how to build a sustainable food supply.
We also have a mobile grocery, and that is where we have turned a school bus into a grocery on wheels. And so it goes to different low-income apartment complexes in the Bowling Green, Warren County area.
Education and job skills training provides our residents with the skills they need in order to succeed.
EnVision centers building lives, strengthening communities.